What are you looking for, Fran?
I found it. My Christmas hat.
Why do you need that?
It's Christmas in July.
Woo!
Hi, it's Fran Morgan.
And Hannah with Fabric Café.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We have some fantastic Christmas quilts right here in July. Let's check out the first one. So our first quilt is pretty simple, and this is darling. I love this because we're using 2 focus fabrics, and with Christmas, that is just ideal. And then just a really fun border here. This is going to go together super quick. Let's check out the kit. Now these are such fun snowman, Hannah. I think they kind of have that vintage feel.
Yeah, I think so too.
Which I really, really like. So we have our green background here with our happy snowman. They are going to go everywhere the green snowman is on the Pretty Simple quilt. And then our number 2 fabric is like a double focus. Yeah. Same print with a gray background, and that will go everywhere the candy canes are in this one here. So cute. And then this nice kind of a strawberry red here matches so perfectly, and that will be the border and the sashing here. And yeah, that's cute. Did you just see the birds?
Yeah, the little birdies. And the red matches and picks up all of the red in their birds and hats.
Oh, I just love it.
So
it
cute.
is really, really cute. And I wish it were snowing here.
Me too.
Because it's been so hot.
Yeah.
So perfect time to quilt. So the kit info on this is Snow Pals is the name. The number is 8022310. And it's the Pretty Simple quilt from the book Quilt Favorites. And it is also available as an individual pattern.
And something to keep in mind with these kits too, these all are limited quantities. So if you see some Christmas kits that you really like, go over to fabriccafe.com and snag them
quickly. Good advice, good tip.
So let's look at our next quilt. Now this one is one of our newest Christmas quilts, and this is Evergreen from our Make It Christmas book. So let's go ahead and put this on the table and check out our fabrics.
Okay, this is one of my favorite Christmas quilts ever.
It's not like you designed it or anything.
I just think it's fun. I just think it has kind of that woodland look, and it's just so simple to put together, and it's fun.
It is fun. I like how you get the traditional kind of tree look in there. And this one's made in batiks. It looks gorgeous in batiks. But we have a new set that I think is going to look equally stunning. This one is Snowflakes. And so we have it in 3 different colorways. We've got this beautiful rich green, which is going to be where your trees are, and this border. Then we have this white and gold, and all of them have a little bit of gold metallic on them.
I love that.
I know. I like the little Christmas pizzazz.
The gold included is so pretty.
And so this white and gold snowflake is going to go in your, I guess, 9-patch, 4-patch?
It's a 9-patch.
9-patch.
Yep.
See, I'm learning. And it'll be in the background behind your trees. And then we've got this gorgeous red that will be in your 9-patch, the opposite color, and on your border and binding.
And this will be cool because it'll look like it's snowing all over your quilt.
That's right. So if you're like us and you don't often get snow, this can be your snow.
Oh, perfect.
And the kit information on that is 8022311 and Christmas Pines, Evergreen. And pattern is only available in our Make It Christmas book, but we have an alternate suggestion of Christmas Forests.
This is our Byzantine Door pattern, and this has a really nice size block here, and it goes together really, really quick. And once again, we have a double focus to really show off that Christmas fabric. Let's look at that kit. Oh, wow, and it looks like I'm looking over to the side here. We have some pieces and parts, which
Sure
I love.
do.
All right, so for this one, we have our beautiful cardinals on black. And I don't know, I need to look up and find out the story behind the cardinals on our Christmas fabric, because they're gorgeous, and I know that they're beloved of ours, and I know that a lot of you out there like them too. And these are really pretty. So, and this is a directional fabric, so whenever you're making this one, be sure to keep that in mind, that it is a directional fabric. So our number 1 fabric is the cardinals. It is going to go everywhere the red is here. Our number 2 is the same print, double focus again. It's our white with the cardinals. It'll go where the white block is. And then this great red, kind of a little vine here with the gold, will go everywhere the green is on this one.
Oh, that is stunning.
It is really pretty. And once again, it has all those little touches of metallic gold, which are just wonderful. Now we're going to get to the kit information in just a minute, but I want to show you the pieces and parts on this to see how great it's going to make up. And it's actually very simple. And Hannah, would you hand me that book over there?
I sure will.
Alrighty. As we mentioned before, this is a super fast one to make. And Byzantine Door pattern is actually made in vertical rows instead of horizontal rows. So you, as you can see here, they're lengthwise, up and down instead of side to side, which is kind of cool. And these are really big blocks. So to make the first block, you see here we just have a strip assembly. And I have one put together here, and you can see how simple. Oh, let's get it
upside down.
That's right. Let's get it the right way. So we've just a long strip here with the two smaller strips sewn on the long edges. Now what we're going to do to make our block is just cut off a section here, and that will make our first block. And I've got one of those here, and you can see, set this aside. And here we go here, and you can see how easy that is going to be. So that would be our first block. Thank you, ma'am. And I'm just going to put this up here where that goes. And then our second block is just a simple rectangle that will be sewn to that. And that is this is going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous quilt. So very simple, and then of course you're going to make another one of these and put it on the bottom of that and keep going till your row is complete.
So this seems like a pretty good one to do directional fabrics with. Very easy
to do
it with.
That's a good point. And also with a bigger print because it is a bigger block. So you can really get a nice view of this gorgeous fabric here. So now our number 3 fabric, we're going to be putting on the borders here to sash these.
Oh man!
Wow, maybe we should get the cropping tool.
Yeah, I think you're right.
And you can see, and that way we can block out the other, and you can really see what that's going to look like. Thank you.
Yeah, here I'll give you a couple pieces too.
Perfect. So I just, this is going to be
so good.
A stunner.
Red is my favorite color, so that bold red in it is just so rich and lovely.
It is, and you know, it's really cool because the white in the focus fabric picks up the white here.
Oh yeah.
And so it really looks fantastic. So let's check out that kit number because we know you're going to want to get this one. Don't forget, quantities are limited, so on this one, it might be a great idea to get a few. Kit number on this one is 8022312. It is called Holiday Songbird. The pattern is the Byzantine Door, which is in our Quick and Easy book, or it is also available as an individual.
This is another one from our new Make It Christmas book. So that might be the book you want to get if you're doing that 3 kit deal. And this is called Twinkles. So let's put that one up on the table and we'll talk more about the fabric.
This one's cute. I really like this one.
I like how much movement is in this quilt. I think that's my go-to when I look at a quilt. I want it to have lots of movement.
Interest.
And so this one you can see it's got lots of stuff going on. The fabric, we do have some of the kit for this quilt still. This one, beautiful poinsettias, which are going to go in your focus block right here. Then we have this gorgeous cream, which is going to make both of your other fabrics just pop off the surface. And that'll go in your background. And then we have this smaller poinsettia on green. So it kind of highlights and shows off the other.
Yeah, it really does. It's very nice. And I love your mention of the pop that you get. And when we're using half square triangles in a pattern, having that high contrast really helps to bring that half square triangle to life so that you really see it.
Yeah.
So that's excellent.
Well, the kit information on this one is 8022184 Joyful Poinsettias. And that is the Twinkles pattern in the Make It Christmas book. That is only available in the Make It Christmas book. So our alternate suggestion is Courtyard.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now what's really cool is we have one more kit that we think would look fantastic in Twinkles.
Yeah.
So let's show you this here.
Because any 3 yards works in any quilt.
That's correct, and that is perfect. Now we have, this is our #1 fabric, which is our focus fabric. It has all of these fun little ornaments on it. So cute, a little playful for Christmas. I like that. It will go in the big block here. And then when you're picking your focus fabric, let me just mention, usually it's the largest print or your favorite print that you want to really showcase in the quilt. So we've done that here. Now to pick your 2 and 3, you're going to take your focus fabric out of the equation. You're going to compare fabric to, or compare your remaining 2. The lightest will be your #2 and the darkest will be your #3. So that's what we have here. So our white with the stars will go everywhere you see the off-white here. And this has a little bit of gold on it as well. I love all these gold touches. And then our #3 is this red swirl, and it will go in the border, and it will make our little, kind of like a half square triangle pinwheel variation.
Yeah.
It's very fun, very, very fun.
And this is fun too because it's got the little gold star. It picks up the little gold star in the #3. I didn't see that until just now.
I like that. I like that. Very cute. Very, very cute. So our kit information on this is 8022313. It is called Holiday Trinkets. It is the Twinkles pattern, which is only available in the Make It Christmas book. And we are suggesting an alternate friendship star.
Well, speaking of more playful, like we just did in the last kit, our next quilt is Pinwheel Plus One. And you can see this one was made with a pretty playful, fun fabric. We don't have this one anymore, but we have one that's just as cute. So let's look at that.
And this is cute. And I think pinwheels are the perfect Christmas pattern because it kind of makes me think of peppermint.
I agree.
Very
it's
fun.
like a little sweet treat on your quilt.
Oh, I like that.
So we don't have candies this time. We have snowmen. And it's just, I love these little snowmen. This will be your focus block. And then we've got this fun snowflake, which is going to be the light in your pinwheel and on your border. And then we've got this fun little metallic polka dot. It's gold on red because there's little gold snowflakes. And then that's going to be your #3 in your pinwheel and on your border. And
fun.
we have pieces and parts.
Yay!
So you get to see what this is made up in. This pattern is super simple. You make 2 different blocks. First, you have your block A, which is just your focus, so a square of your focus. We're going to put that over here and over here. And we still have our seam allowances on, so that's why the blocks are a little bit bigger than what's on the quilt. And then you make your block B with 4 different half square triangles. So it gives you that beautiful little peppermint look.
I like that.
Yeah! Can I see the cropper tool?
Yes. Yes. I should have been on my game and had that ready for you.
Well, we're just
Very
looking at the
cute.
fabric. Sometimes it's easy to get distracted by it. I did earlier.
I do.
And so you can see it just, oh, it looks so cute.
It is so cute.
It's just so peppy and happy.
So cute. I like the multicolor snowflake too.
Yeah, I
That's
do
a little
too.
unique. I like that very, very much.
It picks up all of their different colors in their outfits.
Yeah. So tell me about this kit number.
All right, so this kit is 8022141 Snowman Collection. And the pattern is Pinwheel Plus One, which is available in the Quick and Easy book or as an individual. And if you're interested in more help with half square triangles, check out our tutorial on half square triangles. We give you a great tip and trick on how to use a slotted trimmer, which we have available on our website, to cut down the time it takes you to make a half square triangle.
That is super. That is great. And I tell you what, I was skeptical about that tool at first, but oh my goodness, whenever I finally used it, I loved it. I won't even do them now without it.
So be
It
sure
is
to check
truly
that out.
great. Truly, truly. All right, our next quilt pattern is called Favorite Things. And this is another kind of a big block patterns for really great double focus Christmas fabric, or any fabric, of course. And this one goes together really fast and lots of fun. We've got some great fabric. And we have the fabric, which I love. I love gingerbread. That's probably my favorite Christmas cookie of all time.
I'm a sucker for a good one.
Oh, yes. So this is so cute. So we have our gingerbread on off-white, which will go here in one of our blocks here. Then our background is just this great kind of, it's almost like parchment or something that goes in the background.
Or a sugar cookie.
Oh, gingerbread and sugar cookies. Plenty of choices for Santa. And then our number 3, of course, is our gingerbread again on black. Looks absolutely darling. And it goes in our alternate block and on our border as well. So very, very cute.
So cute.
And the number on this kit is 8022180. The name is Gingerbread, and it is the Favorite Things pattern in our Make It Christmas book, and the alternate that we're suggesting as Dash. Now, I just want to mention really quick, when you buy 3 kits, you can choose a book for free, and I think the Make It Christmas book would be an excellent choice with all these great Christmas fabrics. And if you buy 1 kit, you can have 1 pattern for free. So you get to choose. And if you choose the book deal, just write it in the comments there which one you would prefer when you get 3 kits.
All right, well, we've got one more for you today. So our last one is Happy Go Lucky. And so we got those pinwheels coming back, and it offers a really nice movement like we talked about before, but you get an even bigger strip of your focus fabric. So let's look at that. I think this pattern is just perfect for this kit because you've got your focus are all of these like kind of Christmas cards, little greetings and stuff like that. And they're all going every which way. So you'll have one big strip of your little Christmas cards and letters.
That's cute.
Isn't that
I
fun?
like it.
And then we have our number 2 are these gray kind of wintry branches. And that's going to be your background and the backdrop to your pinwheels. And then we have this lovely dark red that picks up all of the reds in the trucks and the borders and all the snowman accessories.
Oh, I love that. That's going to look so good.
Yeah, I think it's going to really be an exciting Christmas quilt.
Yes, what a great Christmas sentiment.
And if you're interested in that kit, it's 8022314 Winter Greetings, and the pattern is Happy Go Lucky, which is available in quick and easy or as an individual.
Be sure and check out our website for all of those great patterns. And thanks for joining me today, Hannah.
Thank you. I love Christmas, so it was a lot of fun for me to get to come on and share these.
Wonderful. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.